Topic is land and sea breezes. First of all, we will learn two things here. First, hot air is lighter than the cold air. For this, we will do one experiment. We will take one stick, two paper bags, and a candle. Then, we will tie both the paper bags on both ends of the stick and tie the stick from the middle part with a thread. Now, keep a burning candle under a bag A. After some time, you will see that the air which is present in paper A has become hot or warm. Because of that, now the paper bag A is going upside and paper bag B, which has cold air, is going downside. So by this we can say that warm air always moves upward, like a balloon, hot air balloon. Hot air balloon also moves upward because the air which is present inside the balloon is hot, which is lighter than the outer air, and because of that it is going upside. Land heats up and cools down faster than water. For that we will take two containers. One is filled with water and second is filled with soil. Now take its temperature. Now keep it under the sun for 3 to 4 hours. After that, again just check the temperature of both. You would see that the temperature of soil is more than the temperature of water. So by this we can say that soil gets heated up faster than water. Now our topic is land and sea breezes. Sea breeze. Sea breeze occurs during the day. During the day, the land warms up faster than the water. The warm air over the land rises while the cooler air over the water sinks down and moves into replace the warm air. Let's discuss this with the help of these pictures. Here we will have a source of energy which is sun. On one side you will be watching land, on another side there is sea. When sun heats up the land and sea both, then as we know that land heats up faster than water, so the air which is around the land is warm air and the air which is around the sea is cool air. It means warm air is going upside while cool air is going downside because of pressure. And as you know that air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Because of that, as you can see here, that warm air has low pressure area and cool air has high pressure area. Then air would be moving from high pressure to lower pressure. So there is a movement of air from sea to land, and we are giving the name to the breeze according to the origin, that from where the air is moving. Here the movement of air is from sea to land. That's why it is called sea breeze. Now next is land breeze. Again, now this breeze occurs during the night. Here also we have two things, land and sea, but as we know land is the winner, so land heats up faster as well as it cools down faster, and as it cools down faster, then water. Then water has warm area or warm air, while the air around land is cool air. Now, the pressure over sea is low and the pressure over cool air is high. That's why warm air is going upside while cool air is coming downside. And as I told you that cool air has high pressure while warm air has low pressure. Now there is a movement of air from land to sea. That's why it is called land breeze. So can conclude it that land breeze occurs at night. Dry land cools faster than water due to the water's large specific heat capacity. Since the land cools down faster, the air above the water is now warmer and less dense, the air above the dry land. Because of that, there is a movement from land to sea, and this is only called land breeze.